Just explain this, and I'm starting this now. I'm going to do the appreciation letters, and I think Ben, did you not get $100 cash?
Oh yeah, I got it.
All right. So when
Wow.
exactly Ben had a letter written from the captain of the aircraft itself, and he even made a phone call to our corporate office to tell our corporate office the possibilities of an Indian fire. And Ben, I was just, I said to Tim a couple of times, and Javier, Ed, when our folks came in yesterday, I talked to them, and I just cannot be pleased. And that was simple protocol that you did. And I'm not walking around. I just cannot be pleased because I'm not thinking about just the damage of the aircraft. I'm thinking about the lives on that aircraft. That right there, just among anything else, that right there. So I had Carl's our chief operator. You met him when he was here. Here. I got Brian Hurd, safety director. You got Javier, and you have me recognizing you. All right. This is a letter of recognition right here, and I put a little certificate that way. You have, and this is just excellent. Okay. So excellence right here. Look, I even put these little here. Make it look good. All right. This is just awesome. So I want you to hold this, or Tim, I need you right over here. You're part of this. All right. Anthony, you're the soup.
You're the supervisor. You're a part of this too, Anthony.
You guys, I want right over here. This goes on our newsletter. All right.
You'll be crying.
I don't want no tears if you need to wipe them off.
All my life I had to.
Yeah, I'm in a little closer, guys. I'm not asking for hugs or anything like that, but oh yeah, it's beautiful. All right, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Oh, hey, one last thing. I got you a safety thing.
Hey.